Then let us look at a custom valuation. What is customs valuation? It is the process where custom authorities assign a monetary value to goods or services for the purpose of import or export. So custom valuation is the process where custom authorities assign a monetary value to goods or services for the purposes of import or export. Custom authorities engage in this process as a means of customs authorities engage in this process as a means A. Protecting tariff concessions. Protecting tariff concessions. B. Collecting revenue for the governing authority. Collecting revenue for the governing authority. Implementing trade policy. Implementing trade policy. And D. Protecting public health and safety. Protecting public health and safety. Agreement on implementation of Article 7 that agreement on implementation of Article 7 of GATT. Article 7 of GATT outlines the requirements for valuation of custom purposes and is applicable to all members of the World Trade Organization. Remember, GATT is General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. GATT, General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. Article 7 valuation for custom purposes and applicable to the agreement of Article 7, otherwise WTO agreement, custom valuation or custom valuation agreement, ensures that determination of custom values for the application of duty of to imported goods are conducted in a neutral and uniform manner, precluding the use of arbitrary or fictitious custom value. The implementation of Article 7 it ensures for the purpose of ensuring that of the custom value of the application of imported goods are conducted in a neutral and uniform manner, precluding the use of arbitrary or fictitious customs values. The agreement has 4 major parts, so we call it major parts of the agreement. 1. Part 1 sets out substantive rules of custom valuation. Sets out substantive rules of custom valuation. Part 2. The Part 2 provides for the international administration of the agreement and for dispute resolution. Provides for the international administration. The agreement and dispute resolution. Then Part 3 provides for special and differential treatment for developing countries. Provides for differential and then special treatment for developing. And Part 4 contains the final provision dealing with matters such as acceptance, accession of the agreement, reservation and serving of the agreement. Part 4 contains the final provisions. Part 4 contains provisions dealing with matters such as acceptance and assertions of the agreement. Reservations and servicing of the agreement. Benefits of the agreement. 1. To provide a single system that is fair, uniform, and neutral for the valuation of imported goods for custom purposes. That is, the agreement provides a single system that is fair, uniform, and neutral for the valuation of imported goods for customs purposes. 2. The agreement makes valuation to conform to commercial realities. Makes valuation to conform to commercial realities. Commercial realities, and outlaws the use of arbitrary and fictitious commercial values. Outlaws the use of arbitrary of fictitious customs values. Number 3, the agreement, by its positive concept of value, recognizes that custom valuation should be, as far as possible, be based on the actual price of the goods to be valued. The agreement, by its positive concept value, recognizes that customs valuation should be based on the actual price of the goods to be valued. And number 4, the agreement provides more predictability, stability, and transparency for trade. Predictability, stability and transparency for trade.